Heather Stevenson with the Stevenson team, and today we're bringing you a brand new single-story pool home that's coming to the market this week. It's located at 2396 Sageleaf Drive in the premier gated community of Sierra del Oro. This home is 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and has upgrades to the max, including real wood floors, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. The interior and exterior of this home have been recently repainted, and best of all, stepping outside, panoramic views. Views as far as you can see, with a gorgeous saltwater pool and spa. It's a true split floor plan with a master bedroom being located on the back of the home, secondary bedrooms on the front of the home, and best of all, 4-car garage. This home is 1 in a million. It won't last long. It was a very rare floor plan, so come check it out today.